Hey guys, so quickly I wanted to show you guys this landing page basically that we have that is kiwilane.com/kiwiclub/ideas. And you can bookmark this, so I definitely recommend you can either bookmark it so that you can access it every month, or just have it as a resource that you can pull up when you're out and about, or maybe at a crop or a late night scrapbooking, or playing creating nights. So basically down here are all of the PDFs for each Kiwi Club, every past Kiwi Club so far, all the way back to June 2018. Now, I did want to mention that everybody can access this. So if you have the Kiwi Club, great. You're going to see a lot of fun ideas using the paper and the designer templates, of course, with some other designer templates that we have. And we just kind of put that recipe here for you to use. And if there's a template that you don't quite have, that's, you can use it as a springboard and alter it to your liking. So it's just great ideas, just super fun. I hope that you guys enjoy them. Now, if you get the template only version, then of course utilize your paper stash, and hopefully still the ideas utilizing the designer templates inspire you as well. Let me go back really quickly. I don't believe there was any videos in that one. Let's see, was there videos in this one? So if you want to print them off, basically it just depends on what computer you're using. You can do a right click sometimes on those. I personally just go up to File, Export as a PDF, and then that would just export it, right? And then you're going to have a PDF pop up. Well, that's the other one. There's the one. And then you can just print from here. Go to File, Print, and you should be able to print it like you would, as you would like, if you want to print it. You can also just save this to your desktop or to a folder like on your iPad or something, so that they're all in one folder. That's super helpful as well. Or just bookmark the link and just go straight to the website and pull it up when needed. It's there for you to use. One thing I wanted to mention though was that in here you also notice sometimes there are some, let me go back to this one, video links. So this is like a play button, and if you click on it, it'll take you over to YouTube. Okay. Now, also, of course, if you print it, then those links won't be activated, but if you have it on your desktop or here, just pull it up in the web, you'll have access to those different links. So hopefully that's helpful as well. I'm going to go back here. So yeah, so it's kiwilane.com/kiwiclub/ideas.